Hello, here we are in Thamel, Kathmandu. Thamel is the tourist district area of Kathmandu Valley. They host many clubs, bars, restaurants, tourist companies for trekking and everything else. It's almost like a labyrinth. Once you come in, if you have not visited here, it's very hard to find your way out. If you've ever seen The Labyrinth with David Bowie, kind of reminds you of that. And there's so many different clubs, live music, hidden gems, hidden treasures. Follow me.
Yeah.
This is my friend Krishna.
Yes.
I've known him. How long have I known you, Krishna?
Around like 15 years.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
What year is it in Nepal?
Sorry?
What year is it in Nepal?
What year?
Anywho, my friend Krishna here, he sells yak cheese. One of his
Yeah, this
famous,
is the best yak cheese from
delicacies.
Kyanjin Gompa.
Tell me about the yak cheese.
Yeah, from Kyanjin Gompa, we buy from there.
3,000 meters up.
Yeah, we selling for every tourist. It's good one. People like, no any complaint. If somebody complain, that's no mind.
Where are you from?
From France.
France. Hello.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
And all right. So this is my friend Krishna, and we'll show you around Thamel a lot more.
Yeah, we know long time each other.
Yes.
Michael and me, long time we know each other.
Yes. My dear friend Krishna and our partner from France.
Yeah. Before we have already million views. Now 3 million views. Yeah.
Thank you, Krishna. Dhanyavad.
Okay.
Time for some milk tea.